Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. So today we're going to be planning for the last week of May and my catch-all. So this is current week, obviously lots of going on. And then we're going to be planning for the 22nd through the 28th of May. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Here we go. The sticker book I want to use today is the Chic Spring. And I thought I might finally use this thing that I've been hoarding. So let's go ahead and start. But before I do, I wanted to say thank you if you are here for the first time, and welcome. And if you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. So let's get started. I'm gonna get my tape and obviously this, and then we're gonna use some of these boxes. But let me see, because I do want to use these flowers for sure. Okay, I see. So we're gonna do like a peachy spread. And I'm gonna move this up here. So I'm gonna start, I think, with this. And I'm gonna kind of place this right here. What do you guys think? I think that looks good. Okay, yeah. Let me start with my checklists and boxes, and then I'll be in a good spot to do the rest. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I want to use the pale green and peach, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to kind of alternate them. Let's do peach more. Okay. So I'm going to alternate them, and this way I will get this beautiful effect. And I'm going to keep all of my checklists on the top this time. I've been doing the middle quite a bit, and I like it, but I kind of miss the top sometimes. So that's what I'm doing. Let's do green. And look, it matches this tweezer. Let me place that down. Okay. I hope you guys are doing okay. Let me know if you guys have any Memorial Day plans, if you're doing anything, fun. So Alec and I this year are hosting a Memorial Day party. We're gonna have some friends over, and this week we've been working on our fire pit, which is insane amount of work. If any of you built a fire pit before, you will know that it's quite a bit of work. So next week, this is my work schedule. And then obviously I'm going to be getting a house ready for a party little by little. Okay, boxes. Okay, let's do this. Saturday, it's gonna be a busy day. But then we get to recover because we get 2 extra days, so it's all good. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a couple more boxes to the weeks. I really like this color combo, you guys. I don't know why, but I think it's so soothing. Let me know what you think, because like I said, for me, super soothing. For you guys, you might feel different about this. Let me put this right here. and then one more right here. They're kind of all over the place, but I am good with that. I'm gonna go back to the graphics. Nope, not Easter. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna place a couple fun things. Oh, I need a box on Sunday. Duh. You guys, I wish you were here to tell me, like, you're missing a box. But I do kind of feel like I'm hanging out with friends and talking to you guys, especially when you go down below and respond. I feel so blessed to be able to just chat with besties. Okay, we're gonna put a big bow up here. I don't know why, but we are. No rhyme or reason. I'm gonna put this up here because that's gonna be my cleaning day. Let's put these up here on party day. These images are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Can I? Let's see. Can't fit it there. Maybe I can fit it on Friday. Super cute. Okay. Time to add a little bit of flower action. At least I think. Let's see. Again, you guys, my spreads are super quick. I don't really spend God knows how much time on them. I want to live my life. I want a pretty planner. So I have this thing where I create spreads quite fast, and I'm okay with that. They're not like out of this world, but they are pretty and they're functional, and that's all I really care about. And if you're like me, let me know, because like, yes, I kind of want to spend an hour on a spread, but at the same time I kind of don't, because the more I spend time doing this, the less of my things on my list were getting done, and I don't like that feeling. So I like this as a hobby. When I have a lot of time, I sit and like create different pages, not necessarily in my planner, but like menus and different stuff. With this, I'm usually pretty quick because that's just how I function. Okay, I'm gonna add another flower. Let's see if I can like cut this in half and add them to, let's see, maybe this way. And then for this, I'm gonna use tweezers. But look how cute. Yeah, this works for sure. I'm gonna add this. Look, yep. Isn't that adorable? Adorb. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this and kind of put it up here. And then from here on, I can make a to-do list. Let me see if there's like a big box that I can use. No. Well, actually, what I can do is take one of this, like one of these checklists, and start it like right here. What do you guys think? And then do the green one, like overlap it just slightly, and then cut it off right at the Polaroid. Let's remove that tiny piece. Okay. What do you guys think? I think that works. I think that works well, actually. I'm gonna add a few more elements to this side, and then I think we're pretty close to being done. So I want to add maybe like a candle right here. I think that's good. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but it looks cute. So I'm gonna add this. Is this like a powder? Like, if you guys know what this is, let me know. So I'm always like guessing things and they're never right. So I'm no longer guessing things. Okay. And I put this right here. Let's see. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute. I was able to do it with one book, which kind of impressive because more than often I use more than one book. So I'm gonna add a small little leaf here. No, that doesn't look good. Stick it off gently. Maybe here. Okay, yep, that looks better. And I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, and that's it for this one. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one was so fun to do. And I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to let me know if you have Memorial Day plans. Bye.